This is my brand new hard drive. When I plug it into my PC, it lights up, it gives me the connection sound, but it never shows up. Let's hit the Windows key and search for disk MG, short for disk management. It says create and format hard disk. I only have one disk, so that makes it very easy to find the one that is not working, which is the black one right down here. Now it is already initialized, but if it isn't initialized, then you would right click here and hit initialize and then choose GPT version and just go through the steps there. Very simple. But when it is initialized, you right click in here, new simple volume, and just go through the steps. You can choose to give it a different drive letter. I'm going to stay with D, and I'll keep the defaults here. And finish. And now it's formatted it, and you can see it's now blue. And if we go over here, it's actually opened up in File Explorer. If I just exit out of this and minimize this, you can see the drive right there. So if I were now to disconnect it, it's gone. Now I reconnect it, and there it is. But before you start transferring your files, watch this video here. It'll show you the right way to transfer everything.